For a while, I've been having a lot of back pain and hips pain.
At the time I injured it, I was raising my little grandson, who was only 20 months, and I was limping. I couldn't take him to the park. I was having a difficult time with that.
Over the years, I had developed some scar tissue in the incision site that was starting to cause me pain and discomfort whenever I tried to just go through my normal activities.
I was involved in a biking event last year up in Georgia, and several weeks before, during my training, I actually injured my shoulder, and I knew that was going to prevent me from being able to participate in that event. So I came in and right away got the deep tissue laser treatments along with other modalities, massage, and within 3 or 4 treatments, my shoulder was back to normal operation. I was able to compete in the event and was very happy to do so. It has given me more total results than any other therapy in the shortest amount of time that I've ever been able to get back to my biking activity.
It's not invasive, it does not hurt, and it really wakes up the muscle, the tissues, it brings in oxygen, it brings in the good blood flow, and it also has a lot of healing properties that your tissues need, and it helps to speed everything up. It just, accelerates your natural body's healing process.
During the treatment, as the laser would pass over my body, it would feel a little bit of a light warmth, certainly nothing more than the Florida sunshine.
You lay on the table and it's a nice warm heat, depending upon the size of the area, anywhere from 6 to 12 minutes. And that's it. And you probably could fall asleep while they were doing it.
I was very surprised of how fast it worked because I got in my car, I went home, and I told my husband, hey, it feels good. I know this cannot last this long. And when I wake up the following day, I'm feeling good. I don't have no pain. So it was, I'm telling you, it was real good.
The second treatment on, where I started to really feel that the scar tissue was breaking down and normalizing, and that I was finding that the pain and discomfort was going away. The pain score for that discomfort was at about a 7. At the conclusion of treatment, it's at a 0. I have no pain whatsoever.
I usually used to take some medication to be able to sleep due to the pain, but in the treatment, I'm not taking the medication to sleep, and that's good for me because I'm a person that I don't like medication. So if I have to choose between the medication and this laser treatment, I'd rather go to the laser treatment.
I don't ice anymore. I don't have to take Advil anymore. It's very, very good.
Over the course of that treatment of the deep tissue lasers, I got back 98% of my mobility, and I'm sure I spent less money and experienced less pain than I would have had I gone the conventional surgical route.
I would recommend laser to other people. I think that it was, again, just such an easy procedure. It was something that was not a large investment, and so I felt that even if it hadn't helped me, it would have been worth trying it as an avoidance to surgery. The fact that it worked was just the perfect ending for the story.
Initially, when I did my injury, my insurance company did not allow to pay for the surgery. But now, I don't need it because my hip is healed well. It's functional. I don't have pain in my hip. I'm very happy.
Having the pain gone made all the difference in the world. I was able to walk again. I was able to clean the house, pick up the children at the daycare center that I manage, and so all of those activities I was able to just go right back to normal and do everything that I had been doing before.
That's the part I don't like, that I'm feeling better now. I'm able to mop.
It's the most effective treatment that I have had in 10 years of dealing with these type of injuries.
I know myself what it did for me, and I want everybody to have that ability to get back to doing what they want to do and what they love to do, and to do it pain-free.
If I felt that, it's a miracle because I've been in treatment for many years. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it works, but this is the first time that I've been without pain this long. I love it. It's like I say, it's a miracle for me.